Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the library or grid, pick the image and make a virtual copy so you can always revert. Once done, switch to Develop and Zoom to inspect edges. Sharp contrast helps selection. Make quick global adjustments, exposure and white balance, so selection tools read accurate tones. Then select the masking tool, choose subject first. This gives you an automatic selection of the main element. Make sure the mask looks reasonable before refining. We'll refine it next. With the initial subject mask active, you'll refine edges. Pick the brush with plus to add missed subject parts and to remove stray background. Once done, use feather and smooth to make edges natural. Don't overdo it, subtlety avoids halos. Toggle the mask overlay to spot problems and zoom to 100% for hair or fine details. If the subject is perfect, invert the mask to target the background directly, or create a new background mask for separate adjustments. That gives you full control. Now that you have a background mask, reduce exposure and clarity or change hue to make the background effectively removed or invisible. If you need a true transparent background, export the image to Photoshop or use an app that supports alpha channels. Lightroom alone can't save PNG transparency. Once exported, paste the subject onto a new background or save as PNG. Troubleshooting tip: if edges show halos, slightly reduce feather and add a tiny negative dehaze.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.